Hi, thank you for joining me at Pasta a Casa. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Wendy and I am your chief pasta maker. And thank you for joining me where I hope you will discover the Pastabilities today. Today, my goal is to teach the everyday person how to make homemade pasta in your home kitchen. I teach a very simple method that is, you can put pasta on your dinner table any night of the week. There's lots of other more complex methods for hand rolling and some more technical ways to do it, but I really want to make the everyday person be able to put pasta on your table every evening. So that said, the objective of the course is to teach you the basics so that you can do this every day. We're going to start with a review of the equipment that you need. You will find that most of the equipment are things you should have in your everyday kitchen. There's a couple of pieces that are specialized to homemade pasta making. We'll talk about that. I will talk to you about the ingredients, preferably fresh ingredients, and some options that you would need to go into the pasta. We're going to talk about how to actually make the dough and then how to roll and cut the dough. Along with that, you will learn how to make 4 types of pasta from this course. You will learn to make spaghetti, linguine, fettuccine, and ravioli. And when we learn ravioli, you'll learn to make 2 kinds, cheese and meat filling. And then to accompany these lovely pastas, we will go ahead and learn to make sauces. You'll learn to make your basic red sauce to use on pastas, and also an Alfredo sauce to achieve fettuccine Alfredo. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to teaching you how to make pasta and helping you discover the Pastabilities.